Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Okay, so I am really excited. This is a new series that I'm going to be starting every Thursday, and it's going to be called Throwback Palette Thursday. Try and say that 5 times fast. It took me like 20 times to get this right. Don't tell anyone. So what it is it's called Throwback Palette Thursday, and what I'm going to be doing is dropping the plastic inserts from my palette. So what I'm going to be doing is doing a old palette tutorial every Thursday. And by old palettes, I mean all of these new palettes are coming out. They're all hyped up within the last couple months. I won't do those. I'm thinking more along the line of palettes from like last year, holiday seasons, collabs, just things that, limited edition palettes, like things that we buy, we get all hyped up about, and then we forget, and then we don't really use them a lot, and we spend our money on them, and we need to use these palettes. So what I'm going to be doing is a tutorial on an older palette every Thursday for you guys. Hopefully it inspires you to get yours out and use yours and be like, oh my gosh, I can't believe I forgot about this. This is such a great palette. I loved the colors in it. I loved using it. I can create so many looks with it. So if this one inspires you to use Subculture, then I did pretty good. But I really hope that this inspires you to use some old palettes and get more use out of them and not let them gather dust in your makeup collection. But if you want to see how I created this fall, fun, vibey, bright, colorful look, because honestly, that's the vibe that Subculture gives me. This is just all fall right here. These are just beautiful fall colors. If you are interested in seeing how I created this look, then just keep watching. Alright, so I have already applied my foundation, my contour, my concealer, oh we fancy. And I have done a prime to my eyelid with just some Shape Tape. And we are gonna start with the eye look, and then I'll apply the rest of the face. So this is just gonna be a quick video, nothing fancy. I'm just gonna show you the colors as I go with the brush and just apply it. And you guys can follow along. And yeah, hopefully get inspired to use Subculture and many other palettes I will show on this series. So if you want to create this look, here we go. Alright, so for the transition color, we are just going in with Roxy. Alright, now I am going in with All Star, and I'm kind of creating I'm filling in all of this lid except for the middle area here, which I'm going to be going in with the electric after that. So I am just filling all of this in with All Star. I'm going to soften this line right up here with Dawn. And I am not going all the way up to my eyebrow, I'm just going along the very edge in just teeny tiny little circles. Alright, so now I'm going to fill in the center with Electric. This really beautiful green. It has like a red brown shift to it, so I think it looks really pretty with the maroon color. Alright, so now I'm just going to create a little bit more dimension with this look with Untamed, and I am just going to barely hit the transition shade between Electric and All Star with it, and then I'm going to carefully line this crease right here. Just a titty. Just a titty. Just a teensy bit right up top there. Just a titty. Alright, now I'm going in with the lower lash line. We're going to start with Roxy. Alright, now I am just making it a little bit darker with All Star. And then I'm going to do Electric all along the bottom there just to bring in that really pretty green color again. And I went over the top of Electric with Access, and I kind of made it like a shimmery teal blue-green color, so it's just pretty. After this, the rest of the eye is pretty easy. I'm just going to add some eyeliner, create a small wing, put mashes. We're not putting mashes on. I'm not too sure what a mash is, but it's not going on my eyes. We are putting mascara, lashes, and then I will show you the rest of the face. Alright, so eyes are done. We're going to go ahead and do the rest of the face. Should not take very long. So I'm going in with bronzer with the Wet n Wild Coloricon bronzer in Queensland, and it is a limited edition, but it's still available at Walgreens, so it's cheap. Just go get it. It's beautiful. And it's matte. There's no shimmer in this. And I think it's the perfect summer to fall transition color. Alright, now I am going in with some blush. This is the Wet n Wild Coloricon Ombre Blush in the Princess Daiquiris. That's such a cute name. And I don't think this is limited edition, so this one is still available. Alright, now I am going in with the highlighter, and I am also going in with Wet n Wild. I swear this is not a Wet n Wild tutorial. This is just whatever I grabbed, because I thought it looked good with the eyeshadow. Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Powder in Golden Flower Crown. I'm just going to do a light dusting all over my face to kind of give me like a glow from within look with this Hourglass Ambient Lighting Powder in Luminous Light. And for the lips, if you have been watching me for any amount of time, you know that I like dark lips. So I'm going to be going in with kind of this brick mauve-y kind. It goes with this transition color, so it's not super intense, but it's pretty intense. And this is by Tony Dash, which I found on Facebook, and I ordered a ton of lipsticks from them. It took them 3 months to get to me, but when they finally did get to me, I had all these beautiful lipsticks and I love them, so I use them all the time because I waited long enough for them. Alright, well here is the completed look using the Subculture palette, and if you guys enjoyed this video, like it, leave a comment, subscribe, and let me know some of your favorite throwback palettes. As always, well, not as always because this is the very first, but if you are interested in this series, I will be using a new palette every Thursday, and if you do have these palettes, maybe you guys will be inspired to create some of your own looks again and get some more use out of your old palettes. When you spent money on them, might as well use them. But thanks for watching, and I will see you guys with this series next Thursday. Bye!
I know. I got this. Oh, I got this. I got this! Yes! No.
Alright, so I'm just gonna do this transit. Well, there's some... Okay. Don't let me down, brush. Why are you shedding like this? Okay. Would you stop? I don't care about you right now. Get off my screen. Shut up! Really? Oh my god. Alright, I am going to softer. I don't know what that is. Did you guys see that? So it's gonna be something new. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Oops. I can't. Let's try this again. We really don't pay much attention. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Here. So what I am going to be